everyone, again I'm Dang Kerubin. Today our segment is the question and answer portion about our Reiner handheld inkjet printer. We gather the queries and commonly asked questions and I will answer it randomly. Let's start. For our first question, how many lines can it print? JetStamp 790 can print 2 lines. The other model of our Reiner printer can print up to 5 lines. Hope I'll answer the first question. Second one, my product is juice in a can and it is always in the refrigerator. Will the print be affected? What model do you recommend? Model will depend on the size of the print and code that you want. We have a special kind of ink that will last even you put it inside the refrigerator. But still, as I said, it depends on your substrate or the materials. Next question. How much cost per code? Okay, our regular ink costs 5,500. Each cartridge can print 280,000 characters. If you will divide it, each character only costs 0.02 centavos. For example, you have a 20 characters code, so your code will cost 0.40 centavos. When you say characters, it's the letter or the number of your code. Okay? For the next question, is it colored? Yes, we have a colored ink, such as yellow, red, and magenta. Of course, we also have special kind of ink. We have UV ink. Next. Can it print on plastic, can, etc.? Yes. Our Reiner printer can print on a plastic, paper, cans, woods, and others. Can it erase if we make mistake? Yes. We can erase using a cleaning solution, alcohol, and acetone. But it depends because we have a porous and non-porous material. So it still depends on your substrate or materials. How long will one cartridge last? Okay. Each cartridge, we have a 4 ml and 10 ml cartridge. The 4 ml cartridge can print 280,000 characters. It does work in frozen products packaging. It depends. The answer is it depends on your substrate. Next question. What is the maximum size that it can print? The maximum print area of our Reiner 1025 is 85 mm yung width and 25 mm yung height niya. Can it print logo? Yes. It can print logo, barcode, and QR codes. Next question. How many hours will the battery last? The battery will last 3 to 4 hours. Okay, the next one is, what is the warranty? Okay, our Reiner handheld inkjet printer comes with a 1-year warranty under normal use and condition against factory defects. What is the smallest size that it can print? The smallest size is 5 mm height. Okay, here, this is the last question that we have. How many messages can save? Okay. Our Reiner 1025 can save 255 storable print images. That's it. Thank you for watching. Hope we answered all your questions. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. You may reach me through the contact details posted on your screen. Thank you. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.